Alright, so here's the goal. I'm going to take a fly box, or I'm sorry, a regular spinnerbait box like this. It's the Planeo Elite 36 series. I'm going to go ahead and make me a streamer box, something where I can hold these streamers in so that their tails don't stick out. In this box right here, you can see it's already filling up. So these are just the little $10 boxes you get at Bass Pro, because it's the only selection I have in South Georgia. This one right here, it's nice, but it's so small compared to this little Elite Series box. So what I went and did is I got some weather strip seal from Walmart for $3. It comes like this, and it actually looks like the same material that's inside the fly boxes. And when you look at it, the flies just sit right on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how we're gonna make this into a fly box instead of spending $20, $30 online and buying one, and then maybe later we could add some stickers or spray paint, make it look like a legit fly box. But it's mainly to hold my streamers. And why I picked this one is because these are removable. They come right up. So that makes a perfect section for streamers.